A panel of U.S. medical experts has concluded that there's no proof that an annual pelvic exam is necessary for women who aren't pregnant. The U.S. Preventive Services Task Force is asking for more research into the necessity of yearly pelvic exams for women who are without complaints or any symptoms. From the ages of 21 to 29, women should still be screened annually for cervical cancer and every 5 years from the ages of 30 to 65. According to the task force, sexually active women should still be screened regularly for gonorrhea and chlamydia as well.